Hello YouTube, here's the finished product. Brand new radiator with brand new hose, so you guys can see it right there, and brand new coolant, special design for Asian cars. Okay, here's the belt, brand new belt right there, serpentine belt, and brand new thermostat with house, the whole house over there. That whole hose, the whole hose is over here, brand new also too. I put a brand new filter here, charging the battery, been parked for a while without being used. So whoever's gonna buy this car, gonna have a very nice car, doesn't have to do anything for a while. Again, this car is gonna be for sale, 2001 Lexus GS300 with 184,000 miles. You guys can see over here, there's no leaks or anything. Car performance very good. It's doing very good. Oh, and also I did an oil change too on this vehicle, synthetic oil. Feel free if you have any comment, any suggestion. This is the painted wheels, looks very nice. Serpentine belt on this car was done 5/28/09, so probably 200,000 miles. Gotta be done. Another serpentine belt. Guys, feel free, comment, suggestion, subscribe. Brand new radiator, very nice, very nice. You guys don't have to worry, for whoever buys this car doesn't have to worry for a long time. Okay, feel free, comment, suggestions.